picture, and I drew it by myself all day.
Who is that? Who is that?
That's Martin Luther. That's Jesus. That's Jesus, and then that.
That's when they were babies, right?
Yeah.
And who is the other one?
Mary.
Mary, Jesus' mother. So there's 3 babies, Martin Luther, Jesus, and Mary. Now, who else is in this picture? You showed me this one at the top.
Jesus died on the cross. Jesus rised again. Jesus, and this is the one that Jesus sleeps in, and this is the animals that he made. Let me tell you what kind of animals they are.
Okay.
This is a giraffe, and this is a bird, and this is a turtle.
Wow. Well, I am very impressed with this picture, especially the 3 babies there. And is that the bed you said that Jesus sleeps in?
Yeah, this one.
The manger. Well, thank you for sharing that with Mama.